Hey my loved ones, welcome back to my channel. So today I have the easiest neutral eye ever, and it is also affordable. So for the eyes, I use all of Coastal Scents hot pots that you can all find on Coastal Scents website for 99¢. So let's get started. Okay, so first we're going to take this Focus foundation by Black Radiance. It is in the creamy bronze finish, which is my skin tone, and we're going to use this as a transitional shade. The first hot pot we are going to use is called Barista, and we're going to also use this as a transitional shade, and we're just going to place this in the crease with a large fluffy brush. Next color we're going to take is Chocolatey Air. This is another hot pot, and this is like a deep brown, and we're just going to place this in the crease on top of Barista, and this is going to define the crease a little more. As you can see, when I'm blending, it's getting darker and darker, but the blend is magnificent. So we're just going to keep blending with the fluffy brush until we get the intensity that we want. To define the crease a little more, we're going to use this hot pot right here, which is called Deep Roast, and this is going to define the outer V and also the crease, and this is the darkest shade that we're going to use for this eye look. So we're going to pack that on until we get the intensity that we are satisfied with. This hot pot right here is called Pumpkin Pie, and this is going to be our all over lid color. And we're just going to pack that on the lid with a large eyeshadow brush. We're also going to use this color as our brow bone highlight. We're using the same brush, same eyeshadow. For another hot pot, this is the Matte White. I forgot the name of it. I think it's M09. And we're just going to place this in the inner tear duct to brighten the eyes a little more. So we are going to line our waterline with this LA Girl Pro Primer in the color Nude. And I like to use these Pro Primers because they don't make my eyes water. A lot of the eyeliners make my eyes water, but these don't. So I use those as eyeliners, even though they're primers. We're going to add lashes and eyeliner off camera. And we're going to go ahead and start concealing and highlighting with the Fit Me concealer in the color Cafe. So now we're going to set those highlighted areas with Sacha Buttercup, and I know it is bright right now, but the sun had came up, so I could have turned the ISO down, but I didn't. But you can see the color just as good, so I'm just going to go ahead and blend that out. Okay, so for all over face powder, I'm going to use Ben Nye's powder, sienna, and chestnut mix, and I'm just going to place that all over my face with a large brush. Okay, so we're going to contour and highlight with Black Radiance foundation in Deep Coffee and the Maybelline Chrome highlighter. I forgot the name of it, but we're going to use those two. for lips, we're going to use Jordana's liner and eggplants, and the lip gloss, I'm not sure where it's from, but it is a matte liquid lipstick, and it is like a muted pink. But we're going to place blend the eggplant and then place the muted pink in the center, and we're also going to give it a little shine with a gold shimmer lip gloss. Okay, so that is the finished look, you guys. I hope you like, and like I said, it was easy as 1, 2, 3. I really hope you like this video. Don't forget to go ahead and click that subscribe button as well as that notification bell, and I will talk to you guys real soon. Bye.